Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix slow performance and user interface lagging on Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. To fix these issues on your smartphone, go to Settings, then scroll down to About Phone, scroll down to the very bottom of this menu and tap build number 7 times, enter your password. In this way we will enable developer mode. Now we will have to enable it in order to speed up the interface interaction, user interface speed. We can do that by entering System, Advanced, Developer Options. Here in Developer Options, we're gonna have to scroll very long until we reach animation speed. So it's gonna probably be some search until we find these 3 options in here. You can also use this magnifier icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then select your and then enter animation scale in there. And now these 3 options should be changed to either 0.5x or animation off. This way you will, by setting them to 0.5x, you will make your navigation speed twice as fast as it used to be. And by disabling animation speed, you will basically make it even more faster. However, if you still want to have animations on your phone, leave it at 0.5x. Now, in order to improve the performance of our device, we have to free up some storage on it. And to do that, in your settings, select Storage, then go to Manage Storage, tap Clean, then Clear, and let your phone take care of the junk files. Now, for the rest of the files, you can select files here and delete them, the ones that you don't need, for example, photos and videos. Select your photos. Now we don't need to. Okay, so for example, we can go to our gallery. Let me just find it. Okay, let's open the Photos application and then find the application, the photos that are stored locally on your smartphone, and delete them from your device. Also check the applications menu in here, open all applications list, and then locate the applications that you don't need on your smartphone. And if you have some application that you downloaded on your device and you don't need it, just select it in here and tap uninstall to remove it from your smartphone and free up some storage. After you free up enough storage on your device, just restart it and everything should go back to normal. To restart your smartphone, hold down the power button for a while and select Restart option. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.